This video I will explain how to turn a skill into a monthly income. Many people have a skill without realizing that the skill can be used to earn money every month. A skill is simply something you are good at or can do better than most people. Examples are writing, cooking, teaching, painting, programming, or fixing things. Turning that skill into income means finding a way to let others pay you regularly for using your ability. Step 1 is identify your skill. You have to ask yourself, what am I good at? What do people often ask me for help with? What do I enjoy doing that others might pay for? This could be teaching English, designing posters, baking cakes, or editing videos. For example, you enjoy cooking and people often tell you that your food tastes great. Step 2 is you have to find who needs that skill. Every skill has someone who needs it. These people are called customers. If you can teach math, your customers could be students. If you can design graphics, your customers could be small businesses. If you can cook, your customer could be local families or office workers. For example, in case of cooking skill, office workers who don't have time to cook, families who want homemade meals, students who live away from home. These are the customers. Step 3 is you have to choose how to deliver it. There are different ways to sell your skill. First one is freelancing, offering services online. For example, on Fiverr or Upwork. Second one is local services, helping people in your town or neighborhood. Third one is online courses or tutorials, teaching your skill once and selling it many times. Fourth one is products, turning your skill into something people can buy. For example, a cookbook if you love cooking. And here you can see the example. In case of cooking skill, you can start a tiffin service, delivering daily lunch or dinner. You can sell snacks or cakes on weekends. You can share your recipes online and later turn them into a cookbook or YouTube channel. Step 4 is set a price. You need to decide how much to charge. Beginners often start with a lower price to attract customers, then slowly increase as they gain experience and positive feedback. For example, in case of a cooking skill, you can charge 2000 to 3000 per month for a tiffin service or 200 to 300 rupees per cake if selling bakery items. Step 5 is build a system for regular income. The goal is not just to earn once, but to earn every month. This is called monthly income. You can do this by offering subscription services. For example, weekly tutoring classes, having repeat customers. For example, regular clients for graphic design, selling digital products like ebooks or templates that people can buy anytime. For example, in case of cooking skill, offer monthly meal subscriptions. Customer pay once a month and you deliver daily. If you have 10 customers paying 2500 rupees each, then that is 25,000 per month. Step 6 is promote your skill. People won't know you have a skill unless you tell them. You can share your work on social media, ask friends and family to spread the word, show your work with samples or a small portfolio. For example, in case of cooking skill, you can share photos of your food on WhatsApp groups, Instagram, or Facebook. Ask friends and neighbors to try your food and spread the word. You can offer a free sample meal to attract new customers. Now we will see key takeaway. Even simple skills like cooking, writing, or teaching can be turned into steady monthly income if you find the right audience, deliver consistently, and use subscriptions or repeat customers. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.